Find Your Match was a cute idea. It was so that people in a meeting or any sort of room could program in their sort of identity, and badges would flash when they found someone on similar minds.
It seemed to me that I have seen this idea before. It was not totally original.
Yeah, I would agree with that. I thought it was a really cute idea.
I thought that was a great idea as well. It was a bit generalised in concept and things, in that it had a number of sensors which communicated back.
This was a nice idea. I liked it too. The only thing what I understood from it would be that the Vinculum chip would be the Android host interface. It would just be the radio, and so it would make use of the programmability of the eRIC.
A great idea, a possible solution to a problem.
I know systems like this too. We have them here where I live. They monitor rivers, not for rowing but for flooding. I was wondering about the range capabilities, because you don't need a sensor every 100 meters, but you can have larger distances between the sensors. So I'm not sure if this would be useful for eRIC.
I must admit this was my favourite for a number of reasons. First of all, we had certain criteria for judging, which were creativity, commercial viability, cost of production, feasibility and perceived demand. And it simplified the use of eRIC modules. I thought also commercially it was viable. I could see that being attractive to RS customers.
So what I liked about it is that it's really worked out. I mean, it's not just an idea, but it's even there are schematics and screenshots, etc., mock-ups. It's practical, it's easy enough, I think, or practical enough to implement, to build a project around.
Definitely, this is my favourite as well. You know, there's been a lot more thoughts gone into this idea.
Yeah, I'd have to agree with you all, actually. I think it's a great project. It's relatively simplistic, it's a practical idea, it ticks all of the boxes of the criteria that was set up in the competition.
A useful application. The idea was that when somebody comes to your door, you can see who it is remotely.
I think we even have published a project like this. It was more based on RFID.
You know, I did sort of wonder about privacy as well, and whether people might not like the idea of having to photograph them when they go and knock on the door.
I love the concept. It's not a new idea. I don't think that eRIC radio modules are the right solution for it. Voting time, I guess, yeah?
I suppose if you say if it's your favourite or not, and then we will see who's the winner. So we've got Find Your Match. No? eRIC multi-platform development tool. No votes? Okay. River condition monitor for rowers.
Yeah, you know what? I quite like this one.
I'll also give that a vote.
Okay, and then we have the smart eRIC nodes and gateway.
Yeah, that's my favourite.
Yeah, that gets my vote as well.
That gets my vote as well.
All four. And then we have the smart door viewer. No. No, that's brilliant. So we've got in second place the river condition monitor for rowers with 2 votes. And then with all 4 votes, we've got these smart eRIC nodes and gateway by remote sensors.